Marcella with Pismo Fine Art Glass, and this is our weekly Glass Blast. This beautiful collection of cast glass birds are by artists Luke Jacomb and Catherine Rutecki. They're artists from New Zealand. The birds come in 5 different styles and a variety of beautiful colors. The glass is translucent and casts a great colorful shadow on the wall as well. Each bird comes with a screw attached, so it's very simple to install. All you have to do is drill a hole in your wall and create your own flight pattern. If you'd like to take a closer look at these birds, you can visit any one of our locations in Aspen, Vail, or Denver. Also see them on our website at pismoglass.com. See you next week.